All right, guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're in the shop today. It's actually evening. It's dark outside, and the weather's really crappy, so I can't really do much outside. I got a couple projects I got to get these done. One is getting this desk here painted. We're just going to paint it white. The kids went remote for the last month of the year, so my one daughter needs a desk in her room, so we're going to go ahead and get that painted. At least the first coat on tonight, maybe finish it up tomorrow. The second project is getting this POULAN PRO chainsaw fixed. I dropped it and bent the bar on it, so I went ahead and got a new bar, a little bit bigger. It's a 20-inch, and it's got a little bit more meat to it width-wise. This bar here, I swear it's only about 1.5 inches wide. This one here is almost 3 inches. So hopefully it's a little bit durable, more durable than what that one was. So we're gonna go ahead and get at these projects. I know they're not a typical thing, but these things need to be done to keep things moving around here. So let's go ahead and get at the chainsaw first and get that fixed.
Let's paint. It's already a little bit open. Gotta keep it on the tarp. So fuzzy. I call it. Which one do you want? You gotta pour that.